Hi everyone. In this video you will learn how to count button clicks in JavaScript. As you can see, I got a button here, also a counter at the top. Depending upon how many times I click on this button, this counter will get updated. Let me show it to you. So you can see the counter is getting updated. So this is what we're going to build in this tutorial. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's get an index file here. It will be index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure. Also add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. We also need a script file, that will be script.js. Here let's have a div element. Inside this we need one h1 element. Initially it will be 0. We also need a button. Text will be click me. Save it. Now let's create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select the body element. Background color will be brown. Select the div element. Display will be flex. Flex direction will be column. Line items will be center. Select the h1 element. Font size will be 50 pixels. Color will be white. Select the button element. Font size will be 20 pixels. Padding will be 10 pixels. Width will be 200 pixels. Save it. Let's open this file in the browser to see the output. So that's the output. Currently this button is non-functional. To make it work, we need to add a JavaScript code. So let's go to code editor. Here, create a script file, script.js. Select the button element as well as the h1 element. So selected by the tag, which is button. Just copy and paste it. Let's make it h1 and let's make it head. Now here you need to add a click event listener to the button. This will be the handler function. Now at the top we need a global variable that will be count. Initially it will be 0, and upon click we'll increment it like this, and we'll display its value in the h1 element by using the text content property. Now that's all what you need. Just save it. Now let's go to the browser. Now click on this button, click me. So you can see the counter is getting updated. So I hope you understood how to count button clicks in JavaScript. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.